video, I'll be reviewing the Sony LinkBuds S. Sony has long been a respected name in the audio industry, and their latest offering, the Sony LinkBuds S, continues to uphold that reputation. These true wireless earbuds combine cutting-edge technology with a sleek design to deliver a premium audio experience. Let's explore the features, performance, and value of the Sony LinkBuds S. One of the standard features of the Sony LinkBuds S is their design. These earbuds feature a stemless and compact form factor that ensures a snug fit without protruding awkwardly from your eyes. The earbuds come with a selection of ear tips to provide a comfortable and secure fit for different ear shapes. The touch-sensitive controls on the LinkBuds S are intuitive and responsive, allowing you to control playback, adjust volume, tickles, and activate noise cancellation with simple gestures. This means you can leave your phone in your pocket or bag while you manage your music and calls. Sony is renowned for its audio prowess, and the LinkBuds S do not disappoint. With 6mm dynamic drivers, these earbuds deliver clear and balanced sound with rich bass, detailed mids, and crisp highs. Whether you're listening to your favorite music or enjoying podcasts, the audio quality is impressive. One of the standard features of the LinkBuds S is their active noise cancellation. This technology effectively reduces ambient noise, allowing you to immerse yourself in your audio. It's particularly useful in noisy environments, during commutes, or when you need to focus. The Sony LinkBuds S offer a solid battery life. The earbuds themselves can last up to 9 hours on a single charge, and the charging case provides an additional 7 hours for a total of up to 16 hours of playback time. This means you can enjoy extended listening sessions without frequently recharging. The USB charging case supports quick charging, giving up to 90 minutes of playback from just 10 minutes of charging. Additionally, the case is compact and pocket friendly, making it easy to carry around. The Sony LinkBuds S are competitively priced, starting at $179. Considering the audio quality, noise cancellation, confident feature set, they offer excellent value for true wireless earbuds. They're a strong contender in the price range and provide an attractive alternative to other premium earbuds on the market. In conclusion, the Sony LinkBuds S are an excellent choice for those seeking a premium true wireless earbud experience. With their stylish design, exceptional audio quality, effective noise cancellation, and reasonable price, they cater to both music enthusiasts and everyday users. Whether you're listening to music, taking calls, or simply enjoying some peace and quiet, the Sony LinkBuds S are sure to elevate your audio experience. That'll be it for this video, and I'll be seeing you guys next time.